Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced by developers when working with tasks in Swift. The problem arises when a task is suspended even after its closure has been executed. This can be a bit confusing, especially when you expect the task to be completed and not taking up resources. Let's explore this issue further and find a solution together. So, the solution lies in understanding that even after a task finishes running its closure, the underlying task still exists with its state intact, including any values or errors returned. In the provided code snippet, we see how a task in Swift UI can be managed using a separate experiment object. By handling the cancellation and result verification within the experiment class, we ensure that the task behaves as expected and can be safely managed. In essence, by retaining a reference to the task and handling its cancellation appropriately, we can control its life cycle effectively and retrieve results when needed. It's essential to understand how tasks work in Swift and manage them efficiently to avoid unexpected behaviors. Remember, a little care in handling tasks can go a long way in ensuring smooth execution of your asynchronous code. To wrap things up, I hope this explanation helped clarify the concept of tasks and their behavior in Swift. Remember to handle your tasks responsibly and keep your code clean and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!